Scott Jones, baby. Weighed up, a lot of weight. That truck is big and heavy, but he is up against something big and heavy as well. Tractor Dave, man, so far, so good. Tractor Dave told me he's going to put a blower motor in that so he can wing all 6 tires, yeah. You believe that? Yeah, we do. It would be practical.